Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be creating or we'll be discussing on Azure Vision Service and discussing on the specific feature called image captioning. So in our last video, we have discussed about image captioning, and in that video, we have used a image URL. We have used an image URL to create a image caption. But here we will be in this video we will be using a local image, and we are trying to create the image captions of that particular image. Okay, and as discussed in the video itself, like we will be using a two type of captioning is there. One is the dense, one is the normal caption, and another one is the dense caption. So in normal caption there will be only single sentence description will be there. So in dense captioning, okay, we will have a more detailed captions will be there. So if it may be like a giving captions on the each, and maybe like nearly 10 images in that image, I mean in that the entire image. Okay, so that is how the dense caption work. Okay, so now currently the image caption is available only in English. Okay, so these are like similar to like image caption in local file, and the URL is almost similar, but there are some difference in the API coding. Okay, so we can start on our coding part. So I have my Visual Studio Code is up and running. Okay, so here we need to have two requirement. That is, one is python.env and other one is Azure AI Vision Image Analysis. This is the package through which like we will be calling the Azure AI service, AI Vision Service. Okay, now I have created a .env file. So in which we need two keys. One is vision key and the other one is the vision and URL. Okay, so we can go and create these two keys. For that, let me go to the Microsoft Azure. Here I have deleted all my resources, so maybe we can create a new resource. Okay, so here I can go to the new Azure AI service I can use. Let me go to the Azure AI service. Oh, sorry, I need to create something wrong. Okay, let me go and create a computer. So let me do it again. Okay, so first let me go to the create resource, and what I need is Azure Vision Service, right? So here I can see here this is what I need to create. So let me click on the create. Okay, so here I can go to my resource vision test, and if you don't have any resource, just go and create a new one. Okay, and here I can give the details, caption demo, and pricing tier I can use this one. If you have the free tier, just select that. Okay, and I can select this and go next. Okay, so now it's create. So started the deployment. So we will able to see that once it's done. Okay, okay, so meanwhile we can go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is my environment. You can check the Python version that I am using. I can have a so 3.11 is the Python version that I am using. Okay, let me clear this, and I can run this requirements. For that I can do pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, okay, I have a spelling mistake. Pip install -r requirement.txt. So this will install all my requirements. Okay, so all these requirements will be installed. Now I can go and create a new file. That is I am going to create like caption underscore local.py. Here I can do few imports. So here I can do import OS, I can do maybe .env. .env I can import load env can be imported, and from Azure.ai vision and image analysis, and I can import can import image analysis client. Then from .ai .vision .analysis from models I can create the visual features. Okay, so this visual features will help us to decide which visual feature that we need to use. Maybe I can try it here. Here we can see different visual features. One is caption and dense caption. We have object and people, everything is there, but for this video we will be focusing on the caption and the dense caption. Okay, now from the core, from Azure core and credentials, from that we can import the Azure credentials can be created. Okay, now we can load our environment file. Okay, now here we can have our key. Key can be get env. Okay, let me take this key, let me copy this, paste it here. Okay, this is my key, and my endpoint will be os.get env. We need to mention the endpoint here. So this is my endpoint. Okay, so we have our key and the endpoint. Okay, now let me save this, and we can go and check what is the status of our resource. And this resource is created. Now go to the resource. Okay, so here we can come to key and the endpoint. So here I can copy this key and I can paste it here. Okay, and I can take this endpoint and I can paste this endpoint here. Okay, so ensure that you have your vision key and your endpoint URL. I will be deleting all those resources after uploading to YouTube. Okay, so this will not work for you. Okay, so that is done. Now the next step is we need to create a client. Okay, so this is the normal procedure for most of the vision service. So for that I can create image analysis, and here I can pass our endpoint. We have our endpoint is ready, but there is a spelling mistake. Let me correct this. And next we can pass the credentials. For that we can use the Azure key credentials, and I can pass the key. The keys, we already have our key in our hand. Okay, now we need to create a image. We need to read a local image. So we have a sample.jpg. So this is our image key. I mean, this is the image file. So we need to read that. So for that we can use a simple Python read file. For that I can use the sample.jpg, and we will be using the read binary. Okay, and I can have a, so I can say that it's a f and f dot read. Okay, and this can be read to a image data. Okay, so we have our images ready. Okay, and this image is passed to our client. So for that we can have a client dot analyze. Okay, so here I can pass the image data. Image data can be passed, and I can pass the visual features. Okay, which all are will be my visual feature will be I can say that visual features dot caption, and also I can pass visual features dot dense caption also can be passed. And if you want to get the gender neutral caption, I can set it to true. Okay, so here when we say gender neutral caption, which means it will not mention like he or she, instead of it will say person. Okay, so for example in this caption a lady is sitting on this, right? So maybe like instead of saying a woman is sitting on the chair, it may saying a person is sitting on the chair. Okay, so that is if you need that kind of a gender neutral captions, you can set it as a true. Okay, now this will execute our, let me put some enter here. Okay, so this will execute our image and it will generate some caption. Now we can check the result. Okay, so first we can see if we have any caption is there. I can check result.caption is not none. If this is not none, I can print the caption here. I can print that caption. The caption maybe we don't need this caption. I can directly print the caption. Result.caption.text can be printed here, and if you need any kind of a confidence score, I can say that confidence score is equal to result.caption.confidence. So we will have our confidence score. Now this is our normal caption. Okay, caption spelling is not right, please forgive me. Okay, and next is we can have dense caption. Okay, so here I can check if dense caption is present. For that I can check if result dot dense caption is not none. Okay, so if it is not none, I can do a loop through it, so it may have the in result dot dense dot cap list. Okay, here I can print, let me do a print here. I can print the caption here, caption dot text here, then I can print confidence score. Okay, here I can have a caption dot confidence score can be printed like this. Okay, so we are done with our code. Now we can try to execute it. Okay, so for that we can run python caption local.py. Let me execute this. Okay, so here we got some errors. Let me see what are the errors. Okay, so let me see this. Something is not working here, so let me remove one of them and see it's working. You can try this. No connection adapter computer vision image analysis feature. Computer vision image analysis, it says neutral caption true, so let me remove this. Okay, it is not the problem with that, so let me check our previous one. Okay, this is correct. I don't think there is any changes there. Maybe something with our resource. So let me see that. We have our key and endpoint is here. This is our endpoint. We need to save this endpoint. Okay, so let me try to figure out this, because since we have created this on the fly, maybe something may be missing. So let me check this. Okay, I have figured out the problem. So that is, the problem is actually with my resource. Okay, so something is corrupted the resource that I have created. Okay, so earlier we have created a resource with the caption demo. So in this resource something went wrong, and I could not able to access those APIs. So what I have done, I have created a new resource, new test caption resource. Okay, and here I have created a new resource also. Okay, and see, you can see a resource group T1, right? So I have created a new resource group, and in this resource group I have created a new test caption vision, I mean computer vision resource. Okay, so and using this key and endpoint, okay, using this key and endpoint, it is working fine. So I will show you that I have copied this key and this endpoint to my environment file. So let me go to my environment file. You can see that this is a new test caption. So this is my endpoint URL and this is my vision key. Okay, so if you see our local, I mean if you come to our code, you can see that we have a visual features like visual features.caption and a visual features called dense. Okay, so these are the two things that we are going to execute. So let me go to my console here, let me clear it, and I can write again. Okay, so I'm just printing these things for the testing purpose. Okay, so see here we can see a normal caption, a woman wearing a mask sitting at a table with a laptop. Okay, so this is our normal caption, and the dense caption is woman is wearing a mask sitting on the table with a laptop confidence, and you can see the person is a laptop, person using a laptop, a woman is wearing a mask. Okay, so we can see a different kind of a dense caption here. Okay, so here always says most of the cases it says about the woman. So maybe we can test the other thing also. Where's my code? Here I can see that gender, I can set a gender neutral true. Okay, now let me go to my console. Here I can type it again. Okay, so instead of woman saying a person, so you guys can compare these two things. Here it says about a woman is wearing, here it says a person is wearing. Okay, a person is wearing, here it says a woman is wearing. So when we apply gender neutral thing, it will not specify any gender. Okay, so so that's it about in this video. So I will share this GitHub URL also along with this video, so please do like and subscribe. And again, let me tell you what happened with my earlier resource that I have created. Something went wrong. Okay, because I created it long back, and I have done something, some experiment with that particular resource. So that may be the reason it corrupted. So I have created a new resource, and in that new resource, I have created the computer vision resource. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.